What if I told you your Monstera isn't as full and tropical as it could be? Not because of its genetics or your home's lighting, but because you're skipping a few unconventional secrets. There's more to a bushy Monstera than just watering and fertilizer. Today we'll uncover 12 tricks that plant collectors swear by. Some are so sneaky they'll make your Monstera explode with new growth. Number 1. Use Epsom salt. Monstera responds dramatically to magnesium and sulfur, and Epsom salt delivers both. Mixing a tablespoon into a gallon of water and spraying your plant monthly supercharges its ability to produce lush, deep green leaves. Adding a pinch to your regular fertilizer turns this into a growth powerhouse. Number 2. Guide aerial roots back into the soil. Those wild aerial roots dangling off your Monstera aren't just for show, they're nutrient highways. Training them back into the soil or wrapping them around a moss pole mimics their natural jungle environment. This simple tweak gives your Monstera more access to water and nutrients, making it stronger and bushier. Number 3. Air layering for extra growth points. Instead of cutting and rooting separately, try air layering a Monstera stem while it's still attached. Bend a stem into the soil, cover the node, and wait for roots to form. Within weeks, you'll have a second plant growing from the same pot, giving your Monstera an instant fuller look. Number 4. Cut and replant in the same pot. When you take Monstera cuttings, don't pot them separately. Root them and tuck them back into the same container as the parent plant. This creates multiple stems that rise from one base, transforming your Monstera into a thriving multi-stemmed centerpiece. Number 5. Horizontal training, the cheaper hack. Monstera is a natural climber, but laying a stem horizontally across the pot sparks new growth from dormant nodes. Pin a vine gently to the soil and soon you'll see upward shoots sprouting, filling your pot with fresh stems for a fuller plant. Number 6. Partial root pruning for a growth burst. Giving Monstera a light root trim during repotting can actually kickstart growth. Cutting back about 10 to 15% of long or circling roots forces the plant to send out fresh feeder roots that absorb nutrients more efficiently, resulting in lusher foliage. Number 7. Use a nutrient wick in the soil. In nature, Monstera thrives in damp pockets rich with slow-releasing nutrients. You can replicate this with a simple cotton wick buried in the soil, connected to a jar of diluted fertilizer. It steadily delivers nutrients to the roots, encouraging bushy, steady growth. Number 8. Strategic node burying. Every Monstera node has the potential to create a new stem. By lightly burying a bare node under soil, you can trigger rooting and shoot growth right into the same pot. Over time, this transforms a single vine into a dense, multi-stemmed plant. Number 9. Rotate the pot often. A Monstera left in the same position will lean toward the light, becoming uneven. Rotating the pot every 2 to 3 weeks ensures balanced sunlight exposure. This simple habit encourages even leaf growth, preventing your plant from looking sparse or lopsided. Number 10. Don't neglect pruning. Pruning your Monstera strategically encourages branching and keeps it from becoming leggy. Remove yellowing leaves and trim back long stems just above a node to stimulate fresh growth. Done in spring or summer, this is one of the quickest ways to create a bushier plant. Support with a moss pole or trellis. In their natural habitat, Monstera climbs trees for better light and airflow. Indoors, a moss pole or trellis recreates this, helping your plant grow taller and stronger. Mist the pole regularly to encourage aerial roots to anchor, promoting more vigorous growth. Here's a bonus, the neem oil trick. Neem oil isn't just for pest control, it keeps Monstera leaves clean, glossy, and fungus-free. Wiping the leaves with the neem oil solution creates a healthy environment for growth, and healthy leaves are the foundation for a bushier plant. Your Monstera doesn't need a miracle, just a mix of clever tricks that mimic its natural habitat. Start with even one of these methods, and you'll see your plant transform into a lush tropical showstopper you've always wanted. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gardening secrets that make your plants thrive.